Hello and welcome back to the Campus and Concept channel. We have got a great resource for you today, designed to help you with your exam preparation and to score better marks on your computer networks Unit 1 question. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a use of computer networks? Is it resource sharing, data communication, centralized processing only, entertainment and social networking? Pause and solve. And the answer is centralized processing only. While centralized processing can be part of a network primary purpose is to allow for distributed resources, not to be limited to centralized processing. A collection of interconnected computers that share resources is called is it database, network, protocol, or topology. Pause and try to solve. And the correct answer is network. Question number 3. Which device operates at the physical layer of the OSI model? Is it router, switch, hub, or firewall? And the correct answer is hub. Question number 4. The term packets in networking refers to is it electrical signal, encapsulated unit of data, hardware devices, or transmission medium? The answer is encapsulated unit of data. Encapsulated means a small pocket, a small size of data in KB or MB, but the smallest unit of data is KB. Question number 5. Which topology requires a central controller? Which topology requires a central controller? Is it mesh, star, ring, or bus topology? And the correct answer is star topology. Star topology requires a central controller. Question number 6. In which topology does a data failure in one node affect the entire network? Is it a star topology, ring topology, bus topology, or mesh topology? Question number 7. Which of the following provides collision domain separation? Is it hub, switch, repeater, coaxial cable? And the answer is switch. Switch provides collision domain separations. Which device is used to connect two or more different networks? Is it switch, router, hub, repeater? And the answer is router. Question number 9. The full form of URL is it Universal Resource Link, Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Routing Locator, Universal Routing Link? And the correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Which of the following is not a web browser? Is it Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Apache? The correct answer is Apache. Question number 11. A domain name is basically, is it the numeric IP address of a server, a user-friendly name mapped to IP, a browser software, a protocol type? And the answer is a user-friendly name mapped to IP. Question number 12. Which version of IP provides 128-bit addresses? Which version of IP provides 128-bit addresses? Is it IPv2, IPv4, IPv6, IPv5? The correct answer is IPv6. The next question is, the OSI model has how many layers? The OSI model has how many layers? 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause and solve. And the answer is 7. The OSI model, the transport layer, is responsible for routing packet, error detection, end-to-end delivery, physical transmission. The correct answer is end-to-end delivery. Which layer of the OSI model handles encryption and compression? Is it session, application, presentation, transport? The correct answer is presentation. Presentation layer of the OSI model handles encryption and compression. Question number 16. TCP/IP has how many layers? Is it 3, 4, 5 or 7? TCP/IP has how many layers? 3, 4, 5 or 7? The answer is 4. Question 17. Which of the following is not a layer of TCP/IP model? Options: application, transport, internet, presentation. The correct answer is presentation. Question number 18. The OSI model was developed by. The OSI model was developed by. Is it ISO, IEEE, ITU, IETF? And the correct answer is ISO. Question number 19. Which layer of the TCP/IP corresponds to the network of OSI? Is it internal layer, transport layer, application layer, or link layer? The answer is internet layer. Question number 20. Question number 20. And the last question. In protocol layering, encapsulation means: is it removing headers from data, adding headers as data moves down layer, storing data in memory, compressing data? And the correct answer is adding headers as data moves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful content. Let us know in comments what do you like to see in our next video. We welcome you guys and thank you for watching.